In this video, you'll learn how to send audio messages in Slack. By following these steps, you will be able to communicate more effectively with your team through voice messages, enhancing your collaboration experience. Start by launching the Slack application on your device. Once the application is open, you will see a list of channels and direct messages on the left side of the screen. This is where you can choose the conversation where you want to send your audio message. Next, click on the channels option located in the sidebar. This will expand your list of channels, allowing you to see all available channels within your workspace. Look for the channel you want to send your audio message to. After that, select the specific channel by clicking on it. The channel's conversation will appear in the main area of the Slack interface. Confirm that you are in the correct channel before proceeding. Now look for the microphone icon or the option labeled Record Audio Clip in the message input area. Click on this option to initiate the recording process. A recording interface should appear, indicating that you are ready to record your message. Once this interface is visible, you will notice a button that shows a timer, often starting at 0. Click on this button to begin recording your audio message. Speak clearly into your device's microphone. This is how your voice will be captured. When you have finished speaking, click on the Stop Recording button. This action will finalize your audio message and prepare it for sending. You may want to listen to your recording to ensure it conveys the intended message before sending it. After confirming your recording, click on the Send button to deliver your audio message to the selected channel. This last step ensures your message reaches your team members promptly. Keep in mind that larger audio files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.